Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make okonomiyaki. It is a Japanese savory pancake, or as some people call it, Japanese pizza. It is a simple and versatile dish that has various topping options, hence the name okonomiyaki. Okonomi means what you like, and yaki means grilled. So please stay tuned. Okay, so first I'll add 3/4 cups of okonomiyaki flour. Now, if you don't have that kind, you can use regular flour. Next, I'm going to add an egg. Then, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. I'll mix the ingredients together and then set aside. Now onto the cabbage. I'll be using 1/4 of a cabbage and I will chop into fine pieces. Now I'll be adding the cabbage to the flour mixture. I'm also adding pickled ginger and some chopped scallion. Next, I'll add some tempura flakes. And finally, mix until everything is evenly combined. To cook the mixture, I'll heat the frying pan with a little oil on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to add the batter and make it into a round pancake shape. I'll let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the bottom is light brown. Now I'll be adding bacon as my topping. However, the choice is yours. You can use meat or seafood as your topping. After adding my toppings, I'll flip over to finish cooking. I'll let it cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes and then remove from the pan when finished. To serve, I'll add my okonomiyaki sauce, mayonnaise, and dried bonito flakes.